Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you will okay during corona effects. Today friends I wanna show you how to install AutoCAD when it's modified year by year. That software modify United States and it's organized by Autodesk company. Friends, this is that software is more efficient. Earlier it was started for mechanical, then for use of civil and electrical. These three fields are common for AutoCAD. AutoCAD is the basic software. Friends, every year it's modified by graphics and the modifications of the tools and show you that by updates. When it comes with their updates, so AutoCAD needs the updation of the system according to their qualities. Like if you have low quality system like 2 GB RAM and low hard disks and processors, old processor, and if you want to install AutoCAD 2018 and 19, so it maybe create hanging positions, hanging conditions, and some critical condition maybe for faces in during installation and when you operate the software. So in that condition you have to use lightweight software. I will start many topics in upcoming videos. Today I will show that how to install AutoCAD. Now here I am show you and I will learn you AutoCAD in AutoCAD 2014 and 13. These are the lightweight software and you can easily operate in the system of 2 GB and 4 GB RAM and lightweight processor. It is modified easily. So friends, when it start the software, there I have installed already, and now I wanna show you that when any software comes for us like AutoCAD, so it's need to operating 64-bit operating system and 32-bit operating system. So if you have 64-bit operating system, so you should use the AutoCAD have 64-bit operation, and if you have 32-bit operating system, so you should use 32-bit operated AutoCAD. If you vice versa, if you use 32-bit AutoCAD in 64-bit operating system, so it will not install. So 64 to 64 and 32 to 32. Understand? Now the next is their setup. Before I want to show you that how you will check the uh, our system is 64-bit or 32-bit. So you have to go this PC and go to the properties. And now here I want to show you that here system types is 64-bit operating system, 64 based processor, and you should use 64-bit AutoCAD. Here we have AutoCAD 2014, and now I want to show you that setup. There is software and AutoCAD 2014. This is the internal files. So friends, one more thing I want to show you that first time you install the AutoCAD, it's give you 30 days of trial only, and when you crack it, it will install for long time whenever you have a system for always. It means so you have a set of files you have to directly open here. That is the loading window. uh, One more thing I want to show you that AutoCAD is a graphical software and every year update graphics and modifications of tools present in the market. So here we have the installation of options. Now the United States terms and conditions we have to accept, and the next. One more thing I wanna tell you that when you operate in AutoCAD, you should use an internet. or internet browsing, because in that condition when you operate an AutoCAD during internet connections, so your detail may be updated at the cyber, and it may be cyber crime because you have not the license of AutoCAD. It must need to do the license of the AutoCAD, which is so much costly. So there is no fear about the single person use. If any organization or college or school operate with AutoCAD in multi-purpose or multi-systems, so it may be trouble for the college or any organization. Then the cyber can be put the challan of maybe 2 to 4 lakh. So now the next, here you have to put the serial number and product key, how it's and how you can find it. Now you go to the crack folder and there is a installation text file. Open it. Here is the serial number, which is a 4. You can use only one. And now here is the product key. Both key are we have to operate. I know that, and now I put 69696969 4 times, and now the 001F1. When you put and there is a show the right click, that means the serial number and product key accepted by AutoCAD. Now here to click on the next button, that that's I showed that I have installed that software. When you install AutoCAD have internal 14 to 15 files that the processing, and then after it will install. Now it will give you 13 days of 30 days of trial. Okay, so how you will install for always, how will you crack? Here I want to show you that there is a crack folder, and now you have to open, and there is a extract file you have to extract, and now there is folder and the keygun. When you open the AutoCAD, there is a serial number which you have to the copy, and now here not directly open, it's run as an now here you have to paste here. When you press here, now the next step is paste. You have to paste and then you have to generate the code. When you generate the code, here you have to copy and cut the window. That copy and code it, and now to put on the window that the serial number and show the number of boxes where you have to put the serial number, and next step to the activation, it will activate for always. So friends, here we up, upload many videos step by step, and as a trainer, I know that many conditions you will face during operation of AutoCAD. So if you have any type of questions, so you can mention in the comment or you can mail me. And now you should subscribe and like my video and press the bell icon. I will updates, and new updates will show you that many topics in the AutoCAD. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment.